how to link your YouTube channel to your TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is change your TikTok account to business. And the way to do it is go to the profile page, then click these three lines at the top right of your screen, and click Settings and Privacy. Then go to Account, and click this Switch to Business Account. You want to click Next until the end, and choose any category. Click Next again, and you can just skip this. And there you go. Tap X at the top right, and come back to your profile page. You want to refresh it, and click Edit Profile. And here, you want to click the links, and click YouTube. Continue. And right here, you just want to connect it to your YouTube account. And click this View Your YouTube Account. And click Continue. And you want to go back to your profile page. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.